Hi guys, this is Divanshu from team Scrapingdog, and we have recently introduced a new endpoint via which you can give the output data in either Markdown or JSON format. So if you are feeding the data to LLMs, it would be easier for them to parse and interpret data in these two formats. If you are using JSON format, LLMs can know key value relationships better. This structured way of giving data to your LLMs also works well when you want the model to reliably output the specific fields. So I'll show you how this particular endpoint works from our dashboard. You need to sign up for the Scrapingdog. To sign up from here, you get some free credits to test this API. Also ignore for the video or thumbnail over here. When we created this page, we had this particular video over here, and now we are generating the video for this particular endpoint. So when you sign up to Scrapingdog, you would see the dashboard like this. You get your API key over here, some more information on your dashboard. To get the data output in JSON or Markdown format, you have to come over here in the general scraper. So from here, you can test the API. You need to pass your URL over here, the AI query parameter over here. Let's pass the Scrapingdog's URL in the URL field, and in the AI query, let's prompt the API to give us the summary of the web page. In the AI parameter, I have given that you need to give the summary of the web page in JSON, and let's try it. So yeah, the API has given us the summary of the web page in the JSON format. As you can see, you can also give the rules to the API to extract the data in a particular format. So this time I am giving the prompt to give the title, meta description and summary of the web page in JSON, but I would also add the extract rules here. In the AI extract rules, we have given a sample format as to how we would need the data in output. Let's click try it now. So as you can see that the API has given us the data in the JSON format. As one more example, let's try to scrape the price of a product from an e-commerce website. Let us suppose this is the product we want to scrape price for, and for this what we will do is copy the URL, get the URL over here. In the AI query parameter, I will ask again my API to get me the price, and I have also told it to take integer value only and avoid any symbol. So as you can see that it has given us the integer value of the price. This was the price over here. So this way you can also track prices using this particular API. You only have to give a simple prompt to it, and if you want to add some rules for the data, you can add it here. To get the data in Markdown format, you have to use this parameter. So let's pass a URL again. I'm passing the Scrapingdog's homepage and keep it to true. You will get the data in Markdown format. To know more about the API, you can go to the documentation and read about all the parameters that this API can use. So this way you can use Scrapingdog to feed LLMs the clean data. Again, if you haven't subscribed to Scrapingdog yet, you can do it now. You get 1000 free credits to test this API. In any case, if you would need our help to integrate this API to your application, we are available on the chat. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.